Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last two video, you have seen that we have make insertion operation and display operation of Firestore, and in this video we are going to perform update operation. By using insert operation, we insert the information in Firestore. By display, we click here when we have, you see, the data from the Firestore. Three records we have. If one more record I want to add, we can add just here and click insert, it will add also. But here my video is on update. How we can update? Because this update is not working right now. So by the click on this update button, we want to update the information. This is available here. Now we are going to update information. How we can update? We have here this update button also. So I minimize it first of all. For update, first of all I need the copy paste of insert code. Remember that we need this insert. So copy and paste here, and here you paste your insert code. Now we have this, we have checked the empty also, we have the map also, and here we have checked that record insert or not, and in place of this we are going to learn something else. What we can do? So what we can do, on the basis of roll number, we are going to update the information. So for that, here I just remove this one first of all, no need this. And one more thing which I need to update, document reference we have here. So I make it it like this, and I want here that I should use the condition where equal to, and here I will pass the field roll number, and I will pass the information that is available in roll number like this. Remember, we have to connect this, and here in place of add I need get, this one. So remember, so here we match the condition. If roll number is found, we fetch the information. Here we have all the record, then I use for. With the help of this, I fetch document one record in it, and then under this I need document dot, you can say collection, db dot collection first of all, then students, then dot document. Under this I need to pass this document like this, dot id, this one, dot set, and here I need to pass students, those I want to insert these information, and then I want to put the options. So I say set option merge. Remember that I want to merge the information, that's why I'm using merge here, because update work on merge. Here I click dot, I say add on success listener. If we successfully execute this, we are able to update. Then here I need to display message that record updated. So just I copy this, paste here, and here say record updated like this. Then try to run once again, and you will see that you would be able to update your information in Firestore. Now I click on display, we have the record, and I want to update roll number 3 Sachin Tevatia BTech. So I say roll number 3 I want to update. I want to change the name of Sachin Tevatia to Sachin Kumar, and his BTech course I am changing to pharmacy like this, and I click on update. You see we have a record updated. Once again I click on display. You see Sachin Tewatia convert to Sachin Kumar and pharmacy. You can see here also pharmacy and Sachin Kumar. Here again we have a first roll number. Ramdev is the name of the student. So here I just click ID 1 and Ramdev I want to change it to Shamdev. Pharmacy, still we have here Ramdev pharmacy. In place of Ramdev I want to update Samdev. Click on update and record updated. Click here, you see Ramdev convert to Shamdev. You can see here Ramdev convert to Shamdev. So like this you can update your information in Firestore. I think you learned something from this video. If you really learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video and see you in next video for deleting a record also.